Hey loves, I'm back with another video. I'm back with this water wave hair from Amazon and it's really nice. It literally came in one day. Soft. If you guys like this hair look, keep watching. So this is a 13 by 4 HD lace 24-inch water wave hair. I'm using my Morphe powder just to color the lace. I did over bleach a little bit, but we're gonna correct that later. Okay, so I'm pinning the hair back and cutting off them ear tabs, okay, to start off. Now I'm going to use my bow hold active glue and I'm going to apply 3 coats. So now I'm drying the glue until it turns clear with cool setting on my T3. Now I'm about to secure the wig, pull down and add hair. I'm going to use the back of my comb to really push and make sure that the wig is super secure and stays in place. Now we're going to put the elastic band to make sure that this wig is super melted, and I'm going to use my cool heat for like a minute just to make sure that it really sticks together. Now that it's been a minute, I'm going to remove the elastic band. Yes, look at that. It's giving scalp already. Cut the lace in pieces and then I'm going to use my razor to razor it through and make sure it has that jagged edge. You want to take your time while doing this, so I'm being super careful on how I'm applying this and how I'm cutting it. You don't want to do this too fast and mess up the wig. I'm using my Got2b spray to make sure that this install stays on as long as possible. So I'm going to spray it, brush it through, and then put the band right back on and let it cool for a minute. I'm using my fave, the heat protectant from ORS, and putting that throughout the whole hair and then hot combing to give it a really flat and sleek look. Yes, look at that. It's giving scalp, okay? It's giving scalp. And I'm loving it. So I'm just going to make sure that it's flat and put some powder just to blend it and make sure it's seamless. And we're going to go right into the side part. So I'm going to tweeze a little bit to open up that part, and I'm going to tweeze a little bit towards the front to make sure it's more natural in the hairline. Now I'm using my Carrot Care wax stick and just putting that towards the part, and we're going to flat iron even more to make sure this is super flat. Okay, let's get into baby hairs. Now I'm starting to get better with this baby hair thing. I just realized I have to really take my time and make sure it's super flat. So I'm using my small flat iron and curling it and making sure it's easier to swoop the baby hairs. I realized this is easier than just doing it straight. So I'm using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse, and I'm putting that throughout the hair to define the curls. This hair was super easy to install. The hair was soft. It was barely any shedding or tangling whatsoever. It was just gliding through my hands. And here I'm spraying a little oil sheen just to finish the look. And there you have it. This was very quick, very easy, and they had fast shipping. It literally came in 1 day of me ordering it if you are an Amazon Prime member. This was really nice. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching my video. I also have other hair tutorials, so just click in this box right here so you can see my other tutorials. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.